Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Hankotrade broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select the Hankotrade broker, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Register to sign up. In this section you enter your first and last name along with your email address and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. In this section, you also enter your country of residence and mobile phone number. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Sign Up. You enter your account dashboard and your account has been created. In the next video, you will see a tutorial on how to verify your account with the Hankotrade broker. Good luck!